Cold coming our way. How about it, Rob?
You and Hudak are going to both want scarves on Christmas Day. We're talking cold, we're talking breezy, we're talking very much not like what we expect around here. But that kind of cold is coming on the other side of that next boundary that'll arrive on Thursday. And Thursday, I think, could be a wild day with showers and thunderstorms. So we got lots to watch over the next couple. Right now, pretty calm, pretty tranquil for us today. And it's starting kind of cold. A lot of us are in the 30s. We should perk up a little faster today and way up into the 60s. Again tonight, back near 40 or into the upper 30s again with mostly clear skies. And I start to think we find some clouds during the day tomorrow especially. That's all in advance of that next boundary, which is starting to get its act together way back off to the west. The story for us today with the clear skies and those winds pretty calm are these morning temperatures dropping a bit. It's down to 37 in Tallahassee. It's down to 36 in Valdosta. We're hanging on to 43 in Thomasville. I see a few more 37s like in Blakely and Quincy and at Camilla. Homerville's down to 36. Live Oak and Cross City just 39 this morning. Whatever little breeze we have still has more of a west component to it. It's going to flip more east as higher pressure that's still back out over here near Louisiana works its way across to our north. I don't see this being a really cold event these next 24 to 36 hours, and the area of high pressure is moving fairly fast. But the next line of showers with this next boundary is the leading edge of much colder air, and that's what's going to be here at the end of the weekend, the upcoming weekend. Now, when this gets here, the timing is going to matter a little bit. If it gets here earlier in the day, I think our instability will be at its lowest, and that'll make it harder for any kind of big-time thunderstorms to get going. So it'd be nicer to see that get here earlier on Thursday instead of later. We'll see how it all times out over the next 48 hours. Futurecast shows some clouds passing by at times and more increasing tomorrow with that change in wind direction. And then as we get to Thursday morning early, I think we're looking out to our west for those showers and thunderstorms to get here. They should rumble across the area during the day Thursday. And as our winds turn back to the northwest Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, we're going to start bringing in the cold air. Friday is going to start cold and stay cold, and it's going to be breezy too. And then when that wind calms down Friday night into Saturday, that's when the real cold takes over. Winds on the Gulf today out of the northeast, maybe as high as 18 knots. A little bit breezy, but not too bad for the boaters. Got the high tides first about 7:15. 30s and 40s, call it mostly clear and chilly to get started. Sunrise 7:31. This afternoon, I'm expecting mid-60s. I think we can get to the mid or even upper 60s, and 70 probably just out of reach, but not too far away. Mid-30s and upper 30s again tonight. Another chilly night. We're going to keep the rain chances out of the forecast today, tonight, tomorrow. But look what happens when we get to Thursday. First, we perk up those daytime temperatures a little bit more tomorrow, and it's not going to cool off all that much Wednesday night into Thursday morning as we bring in the clouds and the changed wind direction. Thursday, we're going to get wet. Showers, storms, a pretty safe bet. 90% chance means you're going to get wet. Thursday, it should get in and get out, and that will allow for clearing even later in the day Thursday. That breeze will perk up from the northwest to really push in that cold and dry air. So Friday, those top temperatures may really struggle to get back to 50. That breeze will make it feel 5 or 10 degrees colder than it is. It's going to be a little uncomfortable out there on Friday, even if the sun comes out. And then as we get to Friday night and Saturday, when those winds calm down, our temperatures could really bottom out maybe in the mid-20s, which is about as cold as we've had since back in January 2018. So some real cold expected for a couple of days just in time for Christmas and this week.